So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang disappearing messages sa ating messenger. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating messenger account or yung ating messenger app. Then pagka-open mula dito sa chat list, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation na gusto nyong i-turn on ang disappearing messages features niya. So for example, is ito na lang conversation. So pagka-open ng isang conversation, itap nyo lang yung menu. So tap nyo lang yung upper right corner. Then pagka-tap dito sa settings ng conversation, i-scroll up nyo lang. And then hanapin nyo guys yung disappearing messages na nandito sa privacy and support. So tap nyo lang yung disappearing messages. So para ma-enable guys, ang gagawin nyo lang is piliin nyo yung 24 hours. So tap nyo yung 24 hours. And kapag ganyan guys, nakatapat na sa 24 hours, ibig sabihin, automatic mabubura yung mga conversation natin after 24 hours. So ganun ang ibig sabihin kapag naka-turn on or naka-enable yung disappearing messages. So sabi dito is kapag daw may nag-screenshot ng ating conversation, so manonotip sa atin once na naka-enable ang disappearing messages. So kapag ganyan guys, naka-enable na yan and makikita nyo naka-on na siya. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang disappearing messages sa ating messenger app. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.